Hi YouTube, Paris here. Welcome to my channel. It's been a long time, guys. Hopefully you are doing well. So guys, in today's video I'm going to talk a little bit about and show you how you can use garlic safe, effective way for max results. When it comes to health, most people don't know how to use garlic correctly, especially for those who have just started to use raw garlic. I'm going to name a few examples. If you chew raw garlic, your mouth is going to burn. You're going to have a bad breath for days. And you will scare people around you away with your bad breath, even your new girlfriend or your boyfriend. If you eat too much raw garlic, it's going to affect your system and you're going to have a lot of problem with it. If you cook the garlic, you are going to lose all the great benefits of the garlic. So guys, when it comes to health, garlic is very powerful. You should know how to use a safe and correct way. So today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the garlic safe, effective way for max results. So please, let's go into my kitchen. So guys, before we start, there's something you need to know. Everything that you're going to put into your system must be organic or pure. Because now these days, people are selling fake things on the market. So you have to make sure that everything that you're going to use or put into your system must be quality or pure. So now I have a organic garlic in my hand. You see the color is very light purple color with moist and rich. So when you cut this into two pieces, you see some moist coming out of it. The moist feels like oil juice-ish. Yes, that's very powerful moisture. That's why you shouldn't cook the garlic. So how to prepare this garlic? You have to make sure you cut the garlic into small pieces. You should let it stay for 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes you can swallow it with raw tomato juice with honey or water. And why I say swallow it, if you swallow the raw garlic, you're going to minimize the bad breath. So guys, as you can see, I already cut the garlic into a very small pieces. That's how it's looking like. See? So you can choose to swallow your raw garlic with raw tomato juice or with honey or with water. I'm going to swallow my garlic with raw tomato juice. Like so. That's simple. So guys, after you're done swallowing your raw garlic, you can go ahead and brush your teeth. Concentrate on the tongue, on your tongue. And after that, you can make yourself some nice lemon tea. And you're going to rinse your mouth out with the lemon tea. And you can go ahead and drink the rest of the lemon tea if you like. And then you're ready to go. So please guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share with your families and friends. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel also. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask them. I'll make time to answer some of your questions. Thanks for watching and see you next time guys. Bye.